Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you guys my Hot Wheel race. Okay, on 3, 1, 2, 3. This car right here won. Okay, next race. This is the winner side over there. On 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the winning car. Winner's over there. The winning car. One, 2, 3. Winning car. After all the winning cars, we're going to have another race for the final winner.
Everybody, if you got
so many times where can we start? We like them and we like
Another winning car.
it's like a jungle sometimes. It makes me wonder how I keep
car got stuck.
August 22nd, 1992. A hurricane named Amber is picking up steam in the Atlantic.
Winning car.
Meteorologists and Goldenberg.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old past said. Boy, you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. Friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got troubles, and I got them too. There isn't anything but what we stick together, see it through, 'cause you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am.
Winning car.
Was a buck.
Alright. Now we're gonna have the final racers.
I'm American made, but like Chevrolet. My mama taught me wrong from right. I was born in the South. Sometimes I have a big mouth when I see something that I don't like.
This is gonna be the final race. And these are the winners from the previous races. Alright. And the losing cars will be eaten by this great white shark.
Travel along, there's one day here and the next day gone. Sometimes you gain, sometimes you stand, sometimes you turn your back to the wind. There's a world outside every darkened door, where blues won't haunt you anymore. Where the brave are free, your love and a soul. Come ride with me to the distant shore. We won't hesitate to break down the garden gate. There's not much time left today.
Junior, and if you rate and comment on this video a lot, you'll get a free car. Peace out, YouTube.